curd and cheese. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus, that is the microorganisms bacteria, lactobacillus promotes the formation of curds. It promotes the formation of curd. How it promote? It multiplies in milk and converts it into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese and pickles and many other food items at our home. Medicinal uses. In the medicinal uses, for production of antibiotic. Students, whenever you fall ill, the doctor may give you some antibiotic tablets. For example, streptomycin, tetracycline, terramycin, etc. So here is the term antibiotic. What is the antibiotic? We can say antibiotic is the medicine that kills a disease causing microorganisms in our body. Okay, here for production of vaccine, microorganisms are used to production of vaccine. For example, polio, etc. In your childhood, you must have been given injections to protect yourself against several diseases. You can ask from your mother that how many vaccines you have given in the childhood. Here, how the vaccines work. Here is the question, how the vaccines work. To explain this, I have written it. When a disease carrying microbe enters our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. Invader means the microbes that enters in our body, that disease in microbes. The body also remembers how to fight the microbe if it enters again. If dead or weakened microbes are introduced into a healthy body, the body fights and kills the invading bacteria by producing suitable antibodies. The antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from the disease causing microbes forever. This is how a vaccine works. For example, cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox and hepatitis can be prevented by the vaccination. So this is how the vaccination works. In the vaccination, a disease carrying microbe enters our body and the body produces antibodies. That antibodies fight that disease carrying microbe, and our body get protected from these diseases causing microbes. Increasing the soil fertility. Fungi and bacteria break down complex minerals into simple forms. Fungi and bacteria break down complex minerals into simple form. How it break down these complex minerals into simple form? This is called decomposition. They decompose the complex minerals into simpler forms. For example, rhizobium fixes the nitrogen from the atmosphere for the plant, increasing the soil fertility. There is an example, rhizobium fixes the nitrogen from the atmosphere for the plant. Or we can say some bacteria are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. Here we have a diagram, the nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria, or we can say blue-green algae. Both the diagrams of blue-green algae, you can see nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Here, cleaning the